Today, 300 more people survive on the roads than did in 2002. The State Patrol supplied Colorado Public News with these numbers, which actually fly in the face of fears which were being voiced by critics 2.5 years ago. Back then, there were predictions lifting the ban on Sunday liquor sales would increase the chances for people to die in drunk driving accidents. Instead, drunk driving deaths on Sundays sharply dropped from 20 in 2009 to just 6 last year. Do you drink and drive?
Not no more.
But you used to.
I have,
So you
yes.
changed your mind?
Yeah.
Colorado State Patrol Sergeant John Hahn says you might be surprised to learn that drinking and driving is not the overall leading cause of highway crashes.
The first one would be speed, whether it be driving too fast for the conditions or driving over the speed limit. And then the second one being distracted driving.
The Colorado State Patrol has a motto: every crash can be prevented. And one of the ways they want to do that is by targeting problem areas like this one on I-70 near Floyd Hill, especially on days which are icy. So if you plan on speeding here on a day like that, you can also plan on a real good chance of getting ticketed. But efforts by state cops are not the only reason for the drop in fatalities. More drivers are buckling up. Also, highways are safer, and modern vehicles with side airbags are saving lives. The goal for the Colorado State Patrol: 0 deaths on the highways for 2025. Carol McKinley, Colorado Public News.